Good morning, children. Today we will do the topic paragraph writing. Children, paragraph writing comes under the writing skills. Writing helps you to improve your vocabulary, and regular practice of it will be quite useful in mastering the language skills. Now, here, children, when you write, take any topic to write. You can write paragraphs, letter, messages, essays. When you write, you have to think for words, which will help you to improve your vocabulary. And if you regular practice writing, then you will be master of your language, and you will be mastering the language skills. Means you will be very good. You will be very perfect. You will know when and how to use words in your language skills. So, to develop your writing skills, you have to practice writing. And today's topic, paragraph writing, is one of your topics of writing skills. So, children, what is a paragraph? What is actually a paragraph? Paragraph is a group of words. Now, this group of words, they should have one central idea. Means this group of words should all be related to one idea, maybe to the topic which is given. So you will take one central idea and you will write a group of words, and that group of words is known as paragraph. Now, paragraph should be of 8 to 10 sentences. Important points to be kept in mind while writing a paragraph. See, there is no format like letter writing. We have a format like how do we write formal, informal letters, how do we write notices. But while writing a paragraph, there is no such format. But few points are to be kept in mind when we are writing a paragraph. What points are they? Very first, define. Whatever the topic is there, you have to define it. Okay, then the problem is to be brought out, then the solution to that problem, then benefits of that particular topic. Like suppose if we are doing for yoga, what will be the benefits? Yes, children, what will be the benefits? Benefits will be like you will be healthy, then you can improve concentration. Many things are there. Okay, so here these, and last, conclusion. When we are writing the conclusion or the concluding line, you have to keep in mind that it should be positive. Means whenever you are ending a paragraph, it should be on a positive note. Okay, children, so when you are writing a paragraph, remember these few points. You keep in mind that first you define, then find out the problem, then a solution to that problem, then benefits, then the conclusion. Remember, conclusion should be positive. So the paragraph should end, try to end the paragraph in a positive note. Next, in the next slide, I'll be giving you an example, a topic, and then how to write a paragraph. Here you will find how these points are kept in mind while writing a paragraph. See, children, the topic is need for education for all. All of us know that education is very important for us. So there is a need that everyone should be educated. So what will be the central idea? The central idea is that we have to write all about education. See, introduction. How this is the whole paragraph. See, the starting lines is introduction. What is education? We have to define it. Education is the key to a happy life. It develops the mind. Memory and knowledge have made men superior to all other animals. It has made men the lord of the universe. It is unfortunate that millions of people in India are uneducated. Now, here comes the problem. Okay, that millions of people in India are still uneducated. So, what more problems they have? Because they are uneducated, hence they are poor and backward. They are easily cheated and exploited by a class of educated people. So these are all problems, that people are uneducated, that's why they are poor and backward, and that's why they are easily cheated and exploited by a class of educated people. No nation can prosper unless the masses are educated. So there is a need for education, because no nation can prosper unless the masses means people, are educated. Hence, education should be spread even in the remotest corner of our country. So here, what is written in the paragraph? That education should be spread all over the country, even in the remotest, even in the backward area of the country. Each and every Indian must be educated. Now this is the solution to the problem, that everyone should be educated. Okay, each and every Indian must be educated. Only then we can bring overall progress in our country. Poverty, the greatest curse, can be uprooted by education only. Okay, now these are the benefits, that the country will progress, poverty can be uprooted by education. So these are the benefits. Then lastly, I told you that when you are concluding it, it has to be on the positive note. Therefore, education for all is essential. It is the sole solution of all problems. Now children, this is the way how you write a paragraph. One more example is there in the next slide. Pay attention. Okay children, the next topic is bad effects of watching television. So here comes the introduction or the definition. What means, what is television? Television has become an essential part of every house. It is the cheapest source of entertainment. You will find television almost in every houses, whether they are poor or rich. Why? Because it is the cheapest source of entertainment. Children find it very interesting. Okay. Why? Because cartoons are there, lots of cartoons are there, stories are coming, so they like it. But it has bad effects also. But children, if they watch television for long hours, then it is having bad effects. Now these are the drawbacks. Seeing it for long hours harms the eyes. If you go on seeing television, then it will harm your eyes. Your eyesight will become weak. The students are left with less time to study. The more time you spend on TVs and all, you will have less time to study, so their studies suffer. Many programs influence young minds in a wrong way. Foreign programs are not in good taste. The youth are easily attracted towards them. They forget their own age-old culture. Their lives are spoiled. Why all these drawbacks are given? Because the topic itself wants us to write the bad effects of watching television. But then when we are ending it, then we have to do it in a positive manner. So what do? We say, so television should be watched under the guidance of the elders. Means you can watch the television, but it should be watched under the guidance of the elders. I hope you have understood that how you will write a paragraph, what all points you will include, how you are going to write. Thank you for watching.